Hi guys, welcome to our 5th day of class. Today we took a quiz, okay, and I had your classmates watch a video that I posted for you guys in Google Classroom. It is not posted under classwork, it is just on the stream. I made it as an announcement. So let me see if I can go take you through the steps to find that. Okay, so if you go to Google Classroom for your class period, as soon as you get into it, you're here on the stream. It is the first thing that is posted. I posted it yesterday. It says, students, please watch the video to help familiarize yourself with online testing. Okay, so I suggest going here first to help you with the login process. Okay, as soon as students were done watching the video, we came back together and had a discussion, last minute discussion on how to use Desmos, how to get to Desmos in Google Classroom, the new link that was posted, okay, and having it open and ready for quiz time. Okay, a few vocabulary words that we worked on were ascending, which means you are going up. So your numbers would be in order from least to greatest. So the smallest numbers getting bigger as you moved up to the biggest numbers. Okay, descending would be going down. Your numbers would start with your greatest, your biggest numbers, and they would be descending or going down to your smallest numbers, right? So those would be greatest to least. Okay, I wanted you to remember that least meant the smallest, okay, or the one all the way to the left, furthest to the left, right? Greatest would be the biggest, okay, or the one furthest to the right. Okay, these two symbols down here, right? If you have your alligator mouth open to the right-hand side, okay, this is the symbol that means less than. I like to think of this as the letter L that's just gotten lazy and kind of shifted sideways, right? So this is the lazy L right here. This is the less than, okay? This bottom symbol down here, if your alligator mouth is open to the to the left, I'm sorry, if your alligator mouth is open to the left-hand side, that means that it is the greater than symbol, okay? So your lazy L, alligator mouth open to the right, that means less than, okay? If your alligator mouth is facing to the left, then that is the greater than symbol. Okay, after we had a discussion, we went into some testing instructions. Okay, and if you watch the video, it kind of guides you through this process, but I wanted to reiterate it so that way students were able to get logged in. Okay, I put the link in the chat for students to click on, but it is posted in our Google Classroom for you. Okay, if the link is not working for you, you can also log in through Launchpad. So if you log in through your Launchpad, you are looking for the app that looks like this picture right here. It looks like a laptop on a green little icon that says Aware Online Testing. Okay, when you click that, you will see this screen here. It says it's the Northeast logo, Northeast Independent School District Student Online Testing. Okay, and then it gives you a box for your ID and your password. Okay, your student ID is your lunch number. Okay, your password is your birth date. So you need to make sure that you are using 2-digit month. So if you were January, your 2-digit month would be 01. You have to put the slash mark. Okay, you have to put that backslash. That's the one that is on the question mark on your keyboard. Okay, then you have to use 2 digits for your day. So if you were born on the 2nd, you have to use 02. Okay, you do your slash, your backslash, and then you have to put 4 digits for your year. So 2007, you would have to put 2007. Okay, once you are in, you need to make sure that you are selecting the right test. We're all 8th graders this year, so we should be picking Ike Math Grade 8. The title will tell you what you're testing and when you're testing it. Okay, and then you click Go to Test. Okay, like I said, this is the login screen. Okay, and then we had class time to work on it. You have until midnight tonight to get those quizzes turned in. If you do not score higher than a 60, okay, because you will be notified right off the bat what grade you have. If you do not score higher than a 60, then you need to redo your quiz. Okay, I can see on my end when you finish and what you scored. So if you scored below a 60, we need to go back in and get our quizzes retaken. Okay.